Right now, it's very important for us to have skills that we can monetize. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how I typically monetize my beading skills. I make embellished berets for people that are interested and I sell it to them at an affordable price. So if you'd be interested in seeing the behind the scene of how I run my beret business, please make sure you watch this video all the way through. Like this video, share with a friend, and don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. This is Funmibi here again with another tutorial. Guys, today's video is a tutorial. I got a couple of client orders and I'm about to fulfill it, and some of the things I'll be doing in this video are new things, new techniques that I would like to share with you guys. So please follow along. Get rid of any form of distraction. In case you're hearing any noise, there's a lot of construction going on in my apartment building and I have to film videos. I don't want to be giving unnecessary excuses, so please excuse the noise. Thank you very much. So in today's video, I'm going to be embellishing some berets. I have about 6 berets right in front of me that belong to different people, and I'm about to just like start embellishing these berets. These berets will be embellished with a bunch of different things, and all the embellishments that I'll be using on these berets will be shared in this video. I would share the contact details of the people that I bought the embellishments, as well as where I bought these berets from. So now that I've said all of that, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe, and become a member as well if that's something that you're into. Like this video, share with your friends, and feel free to drop your questions and suggestions down in the comment section. All right, so like I said earlier, I have 6 berets here. I have 3 blacks, and then I have 1 gray, 1 red, and 1 chocolate brown. Okay. And for the embellishments, let me show you the things I'll be using. Make sure you get your tools together, or just watch. I suggest you first of all watch the video all the way through. Then after you've watched and understood fully, you can now get your tools together and start practicing with me. All right, so these are the embellishments I'll be using. I went to the market to shop yesterday and I got a bunch of these things. So I got this cup chain, this iridescent gold cup chain. And guys, where I bought this, for those that live in Port Harcourt, I got this particular cup chain at a very good deal. I also got these flat bottom beads in different colors, depending on the, basically depending on the color of the berets that I'm embellishing. So I got these flat bottom beads. Let me bring it out of the nylon just so you guys see. So it's not like I'm just showing you things inside nylon. So I have these right here. I hope we all can see. I just felt like it looked really, really stunning, and it would be perfect for this particular work. I also have these regular schmegular flat bottom beads in red, iridescent red. They call it rainbow red. So in the market, that's another one I learned yesterday. When you have all these flat bottom beads that kind of have different kind of undertones to them, let me bring it out of the nylon so you see. So something like this. Whenever it has a kind of like sparkles, different color, they call it rainbow. So this is rainbow red, there's rainbow black, there's rainbow blue. Anytime you see a flat bottom bead that has this like shininess to it, they call it rainbow in the market out here in Nigeria. For those that are new here, I live in Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. All right. Then I also got croc stones in gold. So this is my first time of getting this type of croc stone. It's gold underneath, and on top as well, it's gold. Let me also bring this out of the nylon, just so you guys see. Can you see? Amazing. I feel like it's going to look really, really stunning, and you guys will see how I incorporate it in today's tutorial. So please reward me by liking this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel. I don't know if we've hit 40K by the time you're seeing this video. If we've hit 40K, thank you guys so much. All right, so I have this black as well. In a different video, I talked about how I made a particular mistake when I was shopping for these things. So these things in the market out here in Port Harcourt is called croc stone, and I talked in that video about how I was trying to be a cheapskate while shopping for this croc stone. But this quality one in that video as well, if you take your time to watch it, you will know where I got this from. You'll be able to put 2 and 2 together. So this is the black one, and it has like a silvery underneath, like bottom. I don't know why I can't use my words now. So this is it. I got this as well. Then I got this rainbow black in my very first beret video. I believe I've linked that video already. I used this rainbow black right there, so I don't want to bring it out of the bag. I'm sure you guys saw it. I also got these chocolate flat bottom beads for the chocolate berets that I'm working on. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like coffee. It gives me coffee vibe, like it's really, really cute. I got these as well. Then I also got these red ones for the red berets, flat bottom beads as well. Then I got this chocolate brown regular schmegular beads. I don't know what these beads are called. I just saw them at the shop where I went to buy stuff from, and I bought it. And this is what it looked like. This even looks like coffee beans, like you should chew on it, but please don't chew on it. This is not edible. These are beads, and this is what it looks like. I plan to use this on the chocolate beret, the chocolate colored beret. Then I also have this iridescent silver crocstone. Let me also bring it out of the bag just so you see. Voila. Do we see what we have here? Amazing. So stunning. I bought these silver colored flat bottom beads. Let me also bring this out of the bag just so you guys get the gist. See what we have here? Amazing. Now that I'm done showing us all of the embellishments, did I show you guys this as well? Yeah, I also got this Cupchain because the Cupchain I have currently, it's almost finished. It's not finished. It's even right here. Let me show you guys. This is the quantity that I have left for the one that I have currently. And I know it will not be enough for the projects that I have coming up, so I had to stock up on it. You see that the stones on this one is, this size is slightly larger than this. And fun fact, I bought this more expensive than this. By the time I am done working with this, I don't really know. I'm going to give you guys feedback. You know, a wolf, they say, can be very tricky. So even though this is cheaper where I bought it from, I want to see how it behaves. I want to see if it's going to change color and all that stuff. So I'll give you guys feedback. I bought this one for, I think I bought it for 4,500 naira for the roll when I bought it. And this is what it looks like. This one, I bought it for 3,500 naira. So this was 1,000 naira cheaper than this, and this is in the bigger size. So I'll give you guys feedback. All right, guys, now that I've shown you all of that, let's get straight into the video. I'm going to be doing some 3D appliques for this particular design, and I have this reinforced fabric. I have this reinforced damask fabric in color brown, as well as this reinforced, they call this fabric Mikado. I'm going to leave the spelling of everything that I'm saying on the screen just so we know how to spell them and what they are called out here in Nigeria. This fabric in Nigeria, in Lagos, in Port Harcourt, in Abuja, it's called Mikado. I'll leave the spelling on the screen. In other cities that I'm not really familiar with, I don't know. I've talked about different types of fabrics on the channel. I have a video talking specifically about fabrics and sharing their textures, what they feel like, what they look like with you guys. Go check out that video if you're new here. So this is it. And I also have reinforced felt. I'm going to leave the spelling of that as well in color black. All of these reinforced fabrics are what are the things I'm going to be using to create the 3D appliques for these headpieces. The only color of reinforced fabric that I don't have is gray. And for that gray beret, I'm going to be doing something a bit different as a form of embellishment for it. So please watch this video all the way through. Try your best. I know it's going to be a bit difficult for us, but please let's try our best to watch all the way through. All right, guys, now that I've said all of that, let's get straight to work.